Okay, so continuing from part 8, you're now in part 9. We need to finish the front end of the collet here. Um, so we got the move tool, and we will grab this from the center, drop it right on the end, right there. Now, instead of a straight line, what we're going to end up using is the arc tool right here. 1, 2, and 3. Drop it right on the quadrant. And again, here's the part where it's up to you to start moving things around. We want to move this along the line so that it's just coming around the edge, but not too far forward where it crosses over. See, if I go like this, it starts to look a little weird. So bring it up a little bit. That's connected. Now we can grab it from here and it bends forward and backwards. You want to bring it in, but not so much that it crosses over like that. You want to bring it up just so it doesn't cross over, matches up, and looks nice. So how do we like that? Looks a little bit like it's too far this way. If you have any doubt of what it looks like, you can always call me over while you're working on it, and I will help you fix it. All right, a little bit of crossover here and here. So let's go ahead and fix that. Bring this over like that. And you know what? Let's take this one and move it over a little bit this way. Bend it a little more in, just a teeny bit. That looks pretty good. All right, so we're going to mirror flip this down here. So here's the mirror tool. I'll go slow. I haven't done a lot of teaching with the mirror tool. Mirror tool. Now in the command line, it says select object. So we select our object. Spacebar or enter to get to the next step. First point of mirror line. Now we have this line here already, so we're going to select this point. Now it says select the second point. We're going to move to the end of the line, and it could be anywhere on the end. It could be over here, it could be here, anywhere where it hits the end. Click that. Then it wants to know if you're going to erase the source object, meaning do you want this to go away? We don't, so we say no. And now you've just done a mirror flip of this item here. All right, let's see how we're doing on time here. Okay, good. We have time. Uh, let's go ahead and trim out this back piece here and here. And now we need to make the split that goes down the middle here. So let's switch from trim to extend and activate that line. Spacebar, and now we click the tip of that. That brings that over there. Spacebar to get out of the command. Let's put the front piece in first. Now this is a little experimenting here and there. It's a little tricky. So construction line, and we go point 1 and ortho on point 2. And we are going to drop the line down. So let's go to the offset tool. It's been a while. I haven't measured it. So let's try 1/32. This is going to be our offset distance. We'll select this line and bring it down. And that's two. It's showing as a 16th, even though I put in a 32nd. Let's try it again with 1/64. Not a very large opening. There it is. 1/64th is the amount you put in. Okay, now these remain horizontal. I've tried to rotate them and it just doesn't look right. So let's go from extends back to trim and trim off the tip edge of this and this. These can just be deleted. Now we need to put the lines going back this way. So a number of techniques can be used. Let's use the ray tool. So let's go down here to the ray and come straight off like that. Let's go straight off of this one. Let's do a rotation of both lines at this base point of 30 degrees. Like that. And let's delete all the lines here. And we need to trim here and here, this one, and this one. Oh, and all the way back here goes away too. And we could just delete that out. These are just here because when I put the threads in, oh no, they're here because we drew them in. Goodbye, goodbye. There we go. Save. Okay. Now, it looks like I usually forget to trim this out, and it looks like I made a mistake, and this piece doesn't get trimmed out. Let's do a little cheat. Let's not tell the teacher. Let's see if extends works. So let's activate this line and then hit this. It does. There we go. We fixed it. Don't tell anyone. All right, so that finishes the collet. Stand by for the next lesson. Goodbye.